Skip you. Hold on.
Uno.
You boy, you're not under your time for you play yet.
But me have one card, so I say Uno.
I hate this game. I hate this game. Oh my god. You shuffle. I have something to tell you. Remember the other day when you introduced me to this new shipping company?
The one out by so-and-so.
Yes. I signed up 2 weeks ago and I have already received my package.
What did I tell you?
A fast man?
What did I tell you?
Fast. And not only that, when you visit their website, they have updated live updates about where your package is. Saying that even well, me just find out since me just signed up.
You know what else they have? Email alerts and text alerts. So they text you like all the time to let you know the 411, what's happening, how far your package reached. So I think that's really good. Really glad you finally decided to make the change for all of you.
Yeah, they have some good features, man.
Good
But,
time.
you know,
Who dropped this? Oh wait, this is a new card.
Yep.
So where are we starting from?
You, as usual. You don't have it?
It says +2.
Okay.
I should have just cheated on doing.
But you're not like that.
Oh yes I
I'm sorry, Laura.
but you know though, guys, they have some nice features, but you know my favorite feature is
What?
no separate delivery charge.
Talk
So when
about
I pay for my packages,
it.
the delivery is included in the fee that I pay, and I get it right to my door.
That's so good. Like, I don't know. I honestly don't know what I would do without this company. For me,
am. My time?
I did skip you though, but alright.
Oh, which one on the sign up for platinum membership?
Me, I have platinum membership. Say no, I get my 4 free coupons.
And Keisha got her first coupon. Who never signed up for platinum membership? We could just skip around
No
there.
man, just skip me.
Who played this?
I feel so bad because
You
like
should.
I've been shipping with the company for the longest and all I'm gonna sign up.
Really?
I need to do that ASAP.
Who played this a while ago? So it's your time. Wait, did you guys use a combined shipping feature yet?
Yes, I have.
Tired for use it, girl. Tired, and I just love it.
That excites me.
I literally love everything about this company. Like, God, you never make no mistake.
Have you ever experienced your customer service?
24 hours.
I love it. It's
Early in the
amazing.
morning, late in the night, you call them, you text them, you email them, you get them.
Whose one is that?
She just plays with me.
Me. She jumpy. And that's not even your turn as yet.
I'm excited.
Oh,
I'm excited
it's
to
my
be
turn.
like I'm excited
Yeah.
for the company. Damn.
You know what else nice about the company?
Reverse.
What?
Island-wide delivery. So it doesn't matter where you are, you get island-wide delivery.
Whoa.
And make no mistake, you then normally deliver to your house or to your office, and you're not there, you can call them and reroute the package.
Testament.
Guess what?
Testament.
Even
Because
if
that
you're at
happened
Ibu's
to me.
house, they can drop it off.
Even if you were?
At Ibu's house.
Suppose you know. Suppose you know. Suppose that let me not say that. Whose card is this?
Yours?
Yeah, and I changed the color to green.
It's your turn?
No, it's not.
Oh,
But it could have
Oh,
been.
no, confusing. But
Very much
reverse. What that mean?
so it's going this way now. So you would play.
So. And then you will play.
You would play.
You will play?
Yeah, because it's going this way now.
Plus 2.
Why would you do that?
Because you reversed on me.
I don't like your style.
Is it my turn?
Yeah.
It is.
Go.
I just got an email alert, guys.
What is
So, remember the whole filing for thing that I was telling you guys about? What they did, right, is the same combined shipping activity as well. But the fact is, I got 4 different packages or 4 different documents that were 3 ounces each. And then just combine them as one. And you know that with all the other companies, they would have charged you per package £1.
Right.
This company, they combined all the 4 packages together, and as long as it's under £1, you just pay for £1.
Let me ask you a serious question.
Go ahead.
You're not gonna switch?
What? That's why I brought it up just now. That's why I brought it up just now.
True. or false?
False.
True.
Oh wait,
Girl.
true.
Hey,
Whose time?
the shipping company.
Mine. You play already.
No, I never play that. You play this.
How come you have only 2 cards in your hand and I don't get no skip?
I said, what was
We're not cheat!
We're not cheating.
Me tell you so not cheat.
We?
Me change the color. Yellow.
Why would you?
Is it your turn?
What made you change the color? Blue.
And you're not chewing.